Welcome to our tutorial on how to create custom party favors mini cereal boxes using our Canva template. If you're looking for a fun and creative way to add a personalized touch to your celebrations, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to guide you through the process step by step, helping you craft these adorable mini cereal boxes that are perfect for birthdays, baby showers, and more. Before we dive in, you can download the Canva template from our website at shop.hangingwiththekiddos.com to follow along. Let's get started. Don't forget to download the Canva template from our website. You can scan this QR code and you can find the link to the template down below.
You're also going to need a free or pro Canva account, white heavy cardstock paper, a printer, double-sided tape, hot glue, or craft glue. We'll guide you through cutting the boxes using our Cricut maker or with scissors or an X-Acto knife for manual cutting. To fill the mini cereal boxes, you can either use the cereal bags from inside the Fun Pack breakfast cereal boxes or fill your own bags using snack-size ziplock bags. After downloading, you will receive a Canva template link PDF, a PDF with instructions for Canva and Cricut Design Space, and a zip file containing additional cereal box images. We will show you how to use these images later on. To begin, open the Canva template link PDF and click on the provided link. Once you click on the link, you will be taken to Canva's website.
You can either choose to edit the template or use the template for a new design. We recommend using the template for a new design so that you always have a copy of the original.
When designing, you can either choose one of the 3 pre-designed cereal box labels or start with a blank frame label.
First, we're going to walk you through how to use the blank template frame. You can get started by heading on over to your Uploads tab and upload any clip art or background images you want to use. There are 2 ways to set the background. You can either drag and drop an image into the frame or choose a solid color by selecting the frame, clicking on the Color tab, and selecting a new color.
After setting the background, make sure to lock the frame before adding any additional elements. To lock the frame, follow these steps. First, select the frame. Next, double-click the lock icon that can be found on the toolbar. Once you do this, you will no longer see the pencil icon on the lock. If you add additional images to an unlocked frame in Canva, the new image will replace the existing background image. You can either search Canva's library for serial images or copy and paste one from the pre-designed labels. You can also copy and paste the word search, nutrition facts, and barcode. The additional cereal box image file we mentioned earlier includes them as well. To add text to your design, go to the Text tab on the left side of the screen. From there, you can add a text box or choose from the heading, subheading, or body options. Canva also provides a variety of pre-designed text font combinations that you can choose from as well. Once you've added a text box to the page, you can edit it by clicking on the text. To make the fold lines blend in with your design, you can change its color. Click anywhere on the design. Navigate to the Position tab. Click on the Layers tab. Scroll through the layers until you locate the fold line image. Click on the image. Select the Color tab and choose a new color for the fold lines. Be sure to select a color that is not an exact match for your background image. This will ensure that the fold lines remain visible. With the pre-designed labels, Everything has already been set up for you and can be easily edited. To change the box color, select the box, go up to the Color tab, and choose the new color.
Once you're satisfied with your design, it's time to print and cut out your mini cereal boxes. If cutting by hand, for the best print quality, save your design as a PDF print file. Open the PDF file to print your design. Make sure you're printing the actual size and change the paper type and print quality settings for the type of paper you're using. I like to print my boxes out on this glossy photo paper because it's thick like cardstock, but it has that glossy finish. At the moment, I only had this white cardstock paper on hand, but I still wanted my boxes to have that glossy finish. To achieve this effect, I attached this glossy sticker paper that I had onto the white cardstock.
Before printing, trim any excessive sticker paper around the edges.
Next, I loaded the paper in my printer to print on the glossy sticker paper side.
To cut the mini cereal boxes using a Cricut cutting machine, in Canva, save the design as a PNG image file with a transparent background. If you don't have Canva Pro, you can still remove the background in Design Space. Next, open Cricut Design Space and log into your account. Once you're in, click on New Project to start a new project. On the left side menu, you'll find the Upload icon. Click on it to open the Upload Image screen. Here, you'll see two options, Upload Image or Upload Pattern. Select Upload Image to add an image file from your computer. You can either click on Browse to search for the file or simply drag and drop it in. Choose the complex image type for this design. When removing the background in Cricut Design Space, it's important to consider the color of your fold lines. If the color of your fold lines blends in with the image's white background, there's a risk that the fold lines may be removed along with the background when using the Remove Background feature. To prevent this from happening, it's recommended to change the color of the fold lines to ensure they're distinct from the background. If you have a scoring tool and would like to make it easier to fold the box's fold lines, you can use the Score Line feature. On the left-hand side panel, click on the Shapes icon. Click on the Score Line option. You can resize it by dragging the edges if needed. You can duplicate the score line by selecting it, right-clicking, and choosing Duplicate from the menu. After adding the score lines, select everything and click on the Attach button at the bottom of the Layers panel to attach everything together. Next, click the Make It button in the top right corner. When you preview the print, you can see the score lines, but they won't show up on the printout.
Next, select the machine you're going to be using and send to printer. Select your printer. We're going to turn off the bleed and use System Dialog and select Print. The print box may appear behind Design Space. To find it, minimize the Design Space window. Set your printer settings for the type of paper you're going to be using.
If you're experiencing blurriness in images that contain text, such as the nutritional facts and word search images while printing from Design Space, here's what you can do. First, save the cereal box labels without these images. Upload the new design to Design Space and add it to your page. You can increase the box size to make it easier to see. However, you will need to resize the box before printing. Next, upload the nutritional facts, word search, and barcode images found in the extra cereal box file included in your downloads. Then add them to the cereal box label. Group and attach the images before adding score lines. After adding score lines, attach the cereal box label and score lines and do not group them. Next, click the Make It button in the top right corner. If you receive an error message that says the image is too large, click OK and choose the option to automatically resize the image.
The print quality on those images should be a lot better and the text should be easier to read and see. My camera isn't picking it up that well, but it's definitely better.
To fill the mini cereal boxes, you can either use the cereal bags from inside the Fun Pack breakfast cereal boxes or fill your own bags using snack-size ziplock bags.
And there you have it, custom mini cereal boxes. These are perfect for party favors. You can find a mini cereal box template over on our website.
As a Patreon member, you can download any of our templates and mockups for free as a thank you for your support. Check out our Patreon page for more details.
If you found the video helpful, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. Make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when we post more videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.